Master the AUTOSUM shortcut in Excel. I'll show you how to use it to calculate the totals of any group of numbers with a single click. Just like this. Imagine you're working at Tesla, and out of the blue, Elon Musk asks for the total cars produced this year per quarter and each model. You've got all the info in this table, but the totals are missing. Knowing Elon, if he sees you adding up those numbers one by one, you're probably out the door. But don't sweat it. With the AUTOSUM shortcut, you'll have your totals in a snap. Select the cell where you want the sum, then go to the Home tab. Over on the right, you'll spot the AUTOSUM button. Give it a click, and Excel will highlight the cells it thinks you want to add up. Need to change the range? Just click on the top right corner with the group selected and modify the range as needed. In this instance, we want to sum all the sales, so we'll leave the highlighted area as is and hit enter. There you go! That's the sum of all the sales for Q1. But wait, there's more. An even quicker, niftier way to do this where you don't even have to click on the AUTOSUM button. Let's use the AUTOSUM shortcut. But before we continue, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button because every week I'm going to be giving away a complete Excel course valued at $297 randomly to 10 of my subscribers. Now let's continue. Wipe your formula and select the cell where you want your total. Then, on your keyboard, press Alt plus the equals sign, and voila! Excel does the heavy lifting for you. Want more wizardry? Clear the formula and select all cells where you want your sums, both rows and columns. In case you're scratching your head about selecting non-adjacent data, the trick is simply to hold down the Alt key while making your selection. Once done, press Alt equals again, and bam! You have all your totals in literally a blink of an eye. To see the percentage each model contributed to the total, you can create a pie chart, but that's a magic trick for another video, which I'll link up here. See you there!